Hello, Jeremy here from 3D Infotech with another reporting tip for you. In this video, I will be showing some of the advantages of utilizing PolyWorks' control views instead of the regular snapshots and report tables. If you're using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I'm referring to these four tools. If you're using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I'm referring to the Review tab and this Control View section and Tables and Snapshots. In this project, I already have a report, and you'll see I already have a page showing my main drawing and two subsequent pages nearly identical. Just one of them is using a control view, and the other one is a snapshot and a table. One of the main advantages of using control views is adding additional dimensions after I've already done some reporting. For instance, maybe my engineer requested one more dimension, a distance from this circle to that slot. And notice when I return to my drawing, or when I return to my report, both pages need to be updated since neither show that distance. So for a regular snapshot or a feature table, I will need to select this snapshot, right mouse, edit snapshot, and then toggle that distance back on. But notice the table did not update either. And I can't really edit the table and just simply drag the distance into it. What I ultimately have to do is delete this table and create a new table with the desired features. So now onto the control views. If I wanted to add that distance to the control view, I just select that distance in my tree, right mouse, review, add to control view, and whichever control view this is, top view in my case. And you'll notice the distance automatically updated, or you'll notice that the snapshot already updated with the distance, and you'll see that the table now includes that distance as well. Let me show you another example. Let's say that this plane here also has a surface profile. In addition to that surface profile, maybe there's some key checkpoints that we're mostly interested in. If I wanted to make a new page showing this info, I would go to my Review tab, and I could take a snapshot and report both of these to a table. But notice in my report, I have my snapshot, I have one table for the plane, and I have a second table for the comparison points. Again, that's if I'm just using snapshots and tables. If I'm using the control views, I can have these displayed where I want them, position the annotations where I want them, and I'll create from the 3D scene. I'll call this surface profile, create snapshot and table, and you'll notice I get my snapshot and a table that combines the plane and the comparison points in one table. So that's another advantage of control views over regular tables. Now the last advantage I want to point out, returning to these two, is notice how they have characteristic numbers next to each feature. And this order, it pretty much represents the order of the objects in my tree view at the time I made the table. So if I wanted to sort the regular table, I can't really sort it. But for the control view, what I can do is I can return to that control view, and in my control reviewer, I can sort it based on whichever column I'm interested in. So let me sort it by the characteristic number. And you'll now see they're sorted in numeric order. I hope this video gives you enough info on how you can be more efficient for your future reports. Thank you for watching.